Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2018 Q5. This vehicle is powered by a 4-cylinder, 2.0-liter engine and comes with a automatic transmission. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power windows with safety reverse, emergency braking preparation, hill descent control, roof rails, traction control, stability control, front suspension type, strut, power brakes, braking assist, ambient lighting. Inside you'll find autonomous braking, rear view camera, electronic messaging assistance with read function, electronic messaging assistance with voice recognition, refrigerated storage, audio digital sound processing, Audi Connect satellite communications, footwell lights, cruise control, audio auxiliary input, memory card slot. Drive away with a great deal on this vehicle. Call or stop in today.